In this video, I will be showing you how to install Google AI Edge Eloquent on Mac. So let's get started. To give you some context, what this Google AI Eloquent does, it's basically a text-to-speech dictation tool built right inside your system. And at the moment, it is available for iOS and Mac. The great thing is, we don't need any external API to do this. Everything here is performed by the local models. It's powered by the latest Gemma models from Google. So this is how it works. You just give raw input to this Eloquent app, or you may have a overlay with which you can give raw input in your notes email also. So if you give the raw input as voice, it then converts it into text, but the text doesn't get directly converted. It polishes the text, removes the fillers, checks the grammar, does all these corrections. As you can see, here is the raw input. It clears all the filler words and corrects everything and rephrases and gives a professional output. So you can also use this directly inside any of your apps. Let's say you want to write an email, you can simply use this Eloquent overlay, which I will be showing you later how we can use it, and directly input using your voice straight inside your email rather than going into any other AI chat and asking you to rephrase it. Another great thing is, as I told you earlier, this is powered by the local model. So the model will be running on your laptop. It's a very small Gemma model and it's super good. And it's really fast in processing the voice input also. So if you go down, we'll be having some of the commonly asked questions. You can just get through it. Now let's see how we can install it. First thing, just search for that. We'll be having the official link from Google developers. Select it. We're having the download for Mac. Select it. The download is about 91 MB in size. Just open it, drop it inside apps and just search for Eloquent. We'll be having it. Open it, click on get started. You can just click on allow for both of these like this. It will ask you to enter the password. That's done. Click on next. It will show us the microphone options. I'm having only one, so I will just select next, and this is going to be the Gemma model. So just click on download. So this will take some time, just be patient. Once it is done, just click on next. If you want to get the latest Gemma 12B, you can, or else you can just select skip for now. We just need to long press the right command key. Hey, can you hear me now? And as you can see, we are also getting this floating bar. So now I will just release the key. So we have got the text inserted over here. So that's basically what it does. That's amazing, and I'll just close it. Select next. Another way is to double tap on the right command key. So this will also start the floating mode and our dictation will be converted into text over here. So we can simply close it now and go to next, and that's it. Click on finish onboarding. So these are the things that we can do. Transcribe file, in case if we are having any audio files, it will convert it into our text. And we are having the voice edit also. It can be used to translate into multiple languages, so you can just try that out also. So if you click on record, hey, can you hear me? We'll be having this live transcription. In case if you want to record something and get it transcribed into text, it can do this locally itself. Because we are not using any APIs, this is totally unlimited. In case if you are a person who wants to convert the speech to text, you can literally use it for free. So I will just stop or pause here. Just stop it. Yep, we are having this, and in case if you are using any fillers or stuff, as you can see, it automatically corrects it and cleans it up. So that's another feature that it has. So we can even ask anything to do, polish it, key points, formal, short, long. It can even correct and format our text. So that's another good feature about this. Apart from this, let's suppose say I'm going to notes. I will just use the shortcut key, which is double tap on the right command. So as you can see, we are getting this float over here, and this will automatically format our speech also. That's fine. I will just click on this stop recording, and whatever I speak will be coming over here. So that was polished and it comes over here automatically. I will just close this for now, and you can literally use it anywhere. For example, if you're writing an email or an essay or a search, you can simply use this feature anywhere on your system. Amazing feature from Google because everything happens locally and offline. We don't need to send API calls and stuff, and great Gemma model also. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.